Welcome to the C.O.R.E Retreat. My name is Alex Kennedy, also known as Shuffle Shred, and I am your host and guide through this entire immersive experience. C.O.R.E is an acronym, and what that stands for is connection, originality, reflection, and expression. Every single one of these values is mixed into all of the workshops and activities that you are going to do while we're at the C.O.R.E Retreat. The shuffle dance workshops that you are going to experience here are different than any other class you've ever been to, any other workshop that you have ever taken, and I have created it exactly like that for a reason. We want to make sure that when you leave this retreat, you are learning how to dance more like yourself. You are learning how to express yourself in a different way than you ever have before, connect to the music in a different way than you ever have before. Aside from amazing shuffle workshops, we also have mindset workshops because I truly believe that mindset is 80% of shuffling. In these workshops, we're going to help you combat limiting beliefs, build your confidence both on and off the dance floor. When you arrive, you are going to land in beautiful, sunshiny Costa Rica, and you're going to feel that heat on your face. You walk through the villa doors, and everyone who has arrived before you, or maybe you're first, and our team is there to greet you with smiling faces and making sure you feel welcome right off the bat. When everyone arrives to the villa, we spend time connecting with one another. Connection is such an important part of this entire retreat, and we make sure that the first day has ample time for you to pick each other's brains, whether it be about shuffling or just life, and really get to know every other person that is here and have them get to know you. From that point, we have an amazing team meeting and opening ceremony. During this opening ceremony, we all set intentions for this retreat, and we make it really clear what our why is, not only for shuffling, but why we are specifically here and what we're looking to get out of it. The goal with this is to have every other person in the room help to support you in achieving that vision. It is awesome. From that point, we open swag bags. You guys get awesome presents, and that way you can not only have amazing things to wear while you're at the retreat, but also take home some memorabilia with you. We have hired an executive chef privately just for us who comes into the villa every day and makes sure that not only are you well fed, but you are well nourished. Dancing is a really impactful sport, and so we have to make sure that not only we are training like athletes, but we are fueling like athletes. That means every single meal is going to be healthy, catered to any specific dietary needs that you have, and making sure that you are fueled for all of the activities that we have.
The food is unreal. It's so good.
Food's amazing. The food is so good.
We learn a choreography as a group, but this is unlike any choreography you've ever done before. There is no pressure for every single person to look exactly the same. In fact, I actually want you to look different than everyone else because we are different. Our styles are different. So I create the choreography so that we can all have a general basis of footwork that is the same, but the flavor, the sauce, the personality that you bring to it is totally your own choice. When you are in one of the C.O.R.E Retreat Shuffle workshops, I am there to give you direct feedback. You have the opportunity to ask me any questions about anything that we are learning, or even anything that just pops into your mind that you want to know about shuffling. And the rest of the group is also there to give that communal feedback and help to bounce ideas off of each other. But you can guarantee that when you're at the C.O.R.E Retreat, you are not just a number, and you will have that individual time with me. But the C.O.R.E Retreat is not just all about shuffling and mindset. We plan our excursions so that you can actually explore the country that you're in and immerse yourself into the culture and the nature. We are always surrounded by nature anywhere in Costa Rica, so you will definitely get to see some of that. We also plan the excursion so that there's a little bit of adventure, zip lining, maybe seeing a waterfall, something that you can look forward to that feels adventurous so you can take that memory home with you. When it comes to exploring your own personal shuffle styles, something that we always focus on is musicality and persona. Persona is something that is going to help you step out of any fears that you have in your shuffle dance because you are creating the strongest, most characterized version of yourself to bring onto the dance floor, and I teach you exactly how to do that. Musicality helps you connect with the music so much differently. You're going to leave this retreat thinking about music never the same. You will also get a chance to shoot with a professional videographer, and we make sure that that videographer makes you feel as comfortable as possible, and trust me, the videos turn out absolutely epic. The mindset workshops at the C.O.R.E Retreat not only help you rewire your mindset and limiting beliefs around shuffling, but we also provide real tools to take back into your life. We work on nervous system regulation, tools to help with anxiety, and really make sure that you're not only overcoming challenges in shuffling, but in your everyday. This retreat allows you to have a full recharge, a full inspiration to take home mind, body, and soul. Overall, the C.O.R.E Retreat is an epic experience and you need to be here. And it is an absolute pleasure for me to help you through this experience and watch you grow and reach new heights.
C.O.R.E Retreat 2023!